Hiya boys and girls, I'm just going to talk to you a bit about our maths today, which is page 13 of Intermaths, okay? So again it involves converting between different units of measurement. Today we're going to deal with centimetres, decimeters and metres. Now in this diagram you can see a metre stick like we have in the classroom. And we all know that a metre is made up of 10 centimetres. Anytime you see cent, it means 100, okay? So there are 100 centimetres in a metre, just like there are 100 cents in a euro. The word cent means 100, okay? Century is 100 years. We've looked at all these things before. So you can see in the diagram that the centimetres are marked white, black, white, black, white, black. And there are 10 centimetres between each of the black numbers, okay? So 0 isn't marked, but 0 will be the very edge of the ruler of the metre stick. And there are 10 centimetres then between 0 and 1, 10 centimetres between 1 and 2, etc. Okay? And that 10 centimetres between the two numbers is also called a decimetre. Now, before I started working in the European school, I have to be honest, I never even heard of a decimetre. But a decimetre is 10 centimetres, or it's 1/10 of a metre. Okay, remember decimal is a system of numbers based on 10. Okay, a decade is 10 years. So when we hear decimeter, it's 10. You know, I could even be saying it wrong. It could be decameter. I'm really not sure. I'm saying decimeter, I'm really not sure. Okay, but the important information is that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. That means in a meter, there are 10 decimeters. It sounds confusing the way I'm saying it, I know. Take a moment or two to have a look at that diagram and just make sure that you understand the relationship between meters, centimeters and decimeters, okay? And then in number 1, you fill out 1 metre is equal to 100 centimetres, and you use that information to fill out the questions beneath it, okay? In the second one, moving across the right, you say 1 metre is equal to 10 decimetres, and you use that information then to fill out the ones underneath. And then on the far right, it says 1 decimetre is equal to 10 centimetres, and we use that info to fill in the questions underneath. Okay? Now, in number 2, you have to choose less than, equal to, or greater than. Okay? So if I look at the first one, one of the sides is in decimeters and the other side is in centimeters. So I choose, am I going to work in decimeters or centimeters? I think for this one, for me, I would choose centimeters. I go, what is 2 decimeters in centimeters? Well, 1 decimeter is 10. 2 decimeters is 20 centimeters, so those ones would be equal. Is that okay, boys and girls? So the other examples are a bit trickier, but I'm not going to do all the work for you, so you just have to look. In each question, convert one of the lengths so that they are both in the same units, and then you will be able to do it properly. Now, in the last one, it says measure and convert. So with your ruler, you're going to measure your pencil case, the table you're working at, a window. So you probably only have a small ruler at home. Maybe you have a measuring tape at home. That would be really handy, and you could get your mum or dad to help you. You can see underneath then that there are 3 blank spaces, so you can choose 3 objects. Maybe you'll choose a book, maybe you'll choose the TV. Okay, so you measure the length of those, and you have to write the length in centimeters and decimeters and meters. Okay, now if you're finding that tricky, okay, just write it in centimeters and meters. Don't worry about the decimeters. Like I said, they're not used very often, okay? So if you find it confusing, just write the answers to number 3 in centimeters and meters. And that's the end of the page. I also have photocopied, or I included, I think number 5, page 5 in your document, I included an extra page of maths. So if you would like to do extra maths, if you finish very quickly, or you're just enjoying the maths, you can do that page and you can print it out or do it in your copy. Okay, good luck, boys and girls. Bye.